Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. We're on our way to meet a chocolate marzipan, but along the way I noticed this beautiful vignette of the red-tipped yellow-green foliage of this chamaecyparis in the foreground, one called Fire Chief. No, it's not a chamaecyparis, it's a Thuja, an arborvitae. It's Thuja occidentalis Fire Chief, with juvenile foliage, and then the conical shape of a gold-leafed Foster holly, Ilex. I forget what Foster holly is. It's a hybrid between Ilex opaca and Ilex cassine. But what is the hybrid called? Anyhow, it's Sunny Foster, a yellow sport of Foster holly. But here we've come up to this big monster of a elderberry, one named chocolate marzipan. I don't think I need to tell you it does well for us. It's a hybrid, I guess, between our native elderberry and one of the European species. The European species, Sambucus nigra, they don't thrive for us. They tend to peter out over a few years, but this one is just stunning, and it has a purple tinge to the new foliage. The flowers are, see, there's some really large inflorescences up above. The flowers have a lovely almond scent where it gets its the cultivar name, marzipan, because the flowers are almond scented, and then chocolate because of maybe chocolate. Yeah, that's fairly chocolate brown colored foliage. Handsome thing. And our original plant in another garden doesn't set much fruit, but here this one is. You can see the fruit developing, and you don't eat them when they're green. You'd wait till they turn dark. And my understanding is you shouldn't eat elderberry fruits raw, but only after they've been cooked or made into wine or something. But whether you use them at all, the birds will enjoy them, and there's a great delight in seeing birds coming and going through plants like this, enjoying the flowers. This is a sunny location. The soil is, it's in this bed, the soil is mounded up, so it's well drained, but it certainly doesn't need anything more than average drainage. So Sambucus chocolate marzipan. Great big plant, big bold plant for a big space in your garden. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.